Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to today's English practice session. I'm Emily, and I'm truly excited you're here because what I'm about to share with you can completely transform how you speak English. It's not a big secret. It's not complicated. It's something simple, short, and surprisingly powerful. Just 10 minutes a day. That's it. Only 10 minutes. But if you do this daily, I promise your English will begin to flow naturally. Your words will come easier. Your confidence will rise. And your mind will start thinking in English without effort. Sounds simple, right? It is, but it's also life-changing if you do it the right way. So, are you ready? Let's begin your 10-minute English transformation.
Why 10 minutes is enough? When most learners think about improving English, they imagine heavy textbooks, long lessons, and complicated grammar. But here's the truth. Your brain doesn't learn language through long study sessions. It learns through regular contact. Your brain loves small, frequent exposure. That's how children learn languages. They hear, they repeat, they live in the rhythm of it every single day. If you spend 10 minutes daily with English, that's 300 minutes a month, 5 solid hours of real practice. And those hours are focused, personal, and powerful. Here's what happens when you stay consistent. Your brain starts staying in English mode. It connects words faster. It remembers phrases longer. And your mouth starts moving with more confidence. You don't need hours. You just need daily contact. Because fluency isn't built in one day. It's built every day. Many learners focus on knowing English. They memorize vocabulary. They study grammar rules. They pass exams. But fluency isn't about knowing. It's about doing. Real English fluency happens when you can express yourself without thinking about rules. When English stops feeling like a subject and starts feeling like a part of you. So, the goal of this 10-minute routine isn't perfection. It's naturalness. To make English feel automatic. To help you stop translating in your head and start feeling the language. And the best part? You can do this anywhere. At home, in a park, in your kitchen, or even while waiting for your bus. Let's break down this 10-minute routine into 5 simple steps that you can start today.
Step 1. Listen. 2 minutes. Start with listening. Choose something short and simple. A podcast, a YouTube clip, or a short story in English. Pick something you understand about 70 to 80%. It shouldn't feel too hard, but it shouldn't be too easy either. Now, Here's the key. When you listen, don't translate. Just listen. Focus on rhythm, tone, and connection. Notice how words link together, how the speaker's voice rises and falls. That's how your ears begin to think in English. Pro tip: use the same 1-minute audio for a week. Every day, listen again. Because repetition creates fluency, not variety. Every time you listen, your brain recognizes patterns. And those patterns become part of your intuition. Step 2. Speak out loud. 2 minutes. Now, it's time to speak. Yes, out loud, even if you're alone. Take a few phrases from the audio you listened to and repeat them exactly as the speaker said them. Copy their pronunciation. Copy their rhythm. Copy their melody. Don't whisper. Speak clearly. Let your voice fill the room. It may feel strange in the beginning, but this is how your mouth muscles learn English. Speaking is not just a mental skill. It's a physical one, like playing piano or riding a bicycle. Your tongue, lips, and breath all need practice. Pro tip: don't worry about mistakes. Fluency grows from repetition, not perfection. If you repeat 5 short lines every day, that's over 150 sentences per month spoken confidently by you.
Step 3. Personalize. 2 minutes. Now it's time to make English yours. Take what you learned and make it about your own life. If the sentence was, "I usually wake up early," you could say, "I usually wake up at 6:30," or "I don't wake up early on weekends." Make it personal. Connect it to your real world. When English touches your life, your brain remembers it longer because your emotions act like glue. They make words stick. This is how you move from memorizing English to living it. OMG, Step 4. Free speaking. 2 minutes. Now it's your time to speak freely. No reading, no script. Just speak. Talk about your day. Describe what's around you. Share your plans for tomorrow. The topic doesn't matter. The only rule is don't stop for 2 minutes. If you can't find words, describe what you see. The window is open. I can hear birds. I feel relaxed. If you get stuck,
repeat phrases you already know. The goal isn't speed, it's flow. At first, your sentences may come slowly, but over time, your voice will move smoother, your thoughts will come faster, and your confidence will rise naturally. Step 5. Reflect. 2 minutes. The last part is reflection. Spend 2 minutes reviewing what you said and what you learned. Ask yourself, which phrases felt easy? Which ones were difficult? Did I forget any words? You don't have to write them all down. Just think about them. Reflection helps your brain organize new knowledge and prepare for the next day's improvement. Then, do it again tomorrow, and the day after, and the next day after that. Because your progress lives in consistency. Why 10 minutes really works? You might wonder, can just 10 minutes really make me fluent? Yes, absolutely. Here's why. Number 1, repetition builds confidence. The more you repeat small pieces daily, the more automatic they become. Number 2, consistency builds memory. Your brain remembers better through short, regular contact than long, rare sessions. Number 3, speaking builds fluency. Even 2 minutes of daily talking helps your brain think and speak at the same time. Number 4, personalization builds connection. When English connects to your life, it stays with you forever. The secret isn't what you do, it's how often you do it. 3 common mistakes to avoid. Let's make sure you don't fall into these traps. Mistake 1. Skipping days. Fluency grows from daily contact. If you stop for a week, you lose rhythm and motivation. Action. Even if you're busy, do 5 minutes. Something is always better than nothing. Mistake 2. Waiting for perfection. If you wait until your grammar is perfect, you'll never speak. Action. Focus on progress, not perfection. Fluency is messy, and that's completely okay. Mistake 3. Practicing without emotion. If your practice feels boring, your brain will forget it. Action. Choose topics you love. Talk about your hobbies, your dreams, your goals. When your heart is in it, your mind follows. The truth about fluency. Fluency isn't built in classrooms or apps. It's built in small daily moments, in your kitchen, on your walk, or while making your morning tea. It's built when you speak to yourself in English while doing chores. It's built when you describe what you see, what you feel, and what you hope for in English. It's built through tiny moments of courage every day. So now you know the secret. It's not a trick. It's not a grammar rule. It's not a perfect app. It's 10 minutes every single day. Listen, speak, personalize, free talk, reflect. If you do this for 1 week, you'll feel the difference. If you do it for 1 month, others will hear the difference. And if you stay with it for 6 months, your fluency will surprise you. Remember, your progress doesn't depend on how long you study. It depends on how consistently you practice. So take a deep breath, set a timer for 10 minutes, and start today. You don't need permission. You don't need perfection. You just need to begin. I'm Emily, and I'm so proud of you for taking this step. Keep learning, keep practicing, and always keep believing in yourself. See you next time, and see you next time.